Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious veg avocado toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 perfectly ripe avocado, which should feel slightly soft. Grab 2 slices of your preferred bread, perhaps a hearty sourdough or a wholesome whole wheat. Don't forget the essential seasonings: a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice to enhance the flavors. Now let's prepare our star ingredient. Carefully slice your ripe avocado in half lengthwise, then gently twist to separate the halves. Remove the large pit with a spoon or by carefully tapping it with a knife and twisting. Scoop the creamy green flesh into a small bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado to your desired consistency, then stir in your salt, pepper, and a refreshing squeeze of lemon juice. With your avocado perfectly seasoned, it's time to prepare the bread. Place your 2 slices of bread into a toaster and toast them until they reach a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crisp. Once toasted, immediately and evenly spread the delicious mashed avocado mixture onto each warm slice. For an extra kick, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or a dash of everything bagel seasoning. And there, you have it. Your incredibly easy and delicious veg avocado toast is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the perfect blend of creamy avocado and crispy toast. This healthy and satisfying meal pairs wonderfully with your morning coffee or a relaxing cup of tea. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.